just like that, there's my meal. Check this out. Yeah, Tango Spice Company Midnight Espresso Coffee Blend. I have been looking, and I asked some on my. If you're connected to my community board, you saw it, and I was taking suggestions on which one to buy because I had some awesome tri-tip made fajitas out of them. I bought them from the restaurant. Came home, made fajitas out of them, and I freaking loved it. Gigi did not. And in my head is coffee. It was a coffee rub, and I want a good coffee rub because I'm fixing to make 2 ribeyes over here. One's for me today, one's for my lunch tomorrow. I'm going to have Gigi's little steak going on there. She's already got it all spiced up with that woman up in Oklahoma, pioneer woman stuff. Here's my 2 steaks. Yeah. Let's see, we got 1.96 pounds, $14.48 a pound, $28.38. That's Papa's. Meat's getting expensive. Alright, so this is from Tango Joe. You know what? I'll leave a link. Gosh darn it, I hate doing this. Right over here at the end of this video to Tango Joe, who makes Tango Spice Company seasonings. Alright, y'all go check him out. Check his website out. The website will be down in the description down below. But anyway, I texted him. I bought this. He did not send it to me. So I texted him. I said, hey, you got any suggestions on how to cook with this? And he said, offset it, which Papa loves to offset, and then sear it at the end. And I texted back and I said, I am so glad you told me that because I was going to sear at the beginning and then offset. And he goes, oh, no, it's got sugar in it. Can't do that. It's got granulated sugar, ancho chili, sea salt, espresso powder, coriander, black pepper, oregano, and paprika. Mild heat scale. Out of New York. Alright. I love buying seasonings and stuff from some of my buddies on YouTube. It supports them, you know. And Tango Joe's a cool guy, right, Booger? Yeah. All right, we're gonna get all this rolling up. I gotta get the smoke going over there on the Weber kettle. We're cooking on the Weber kettle today. I haven't cooked on it in a while. I keep using that Z Grills pellet smoker. I love it. But we're cooking steak, and Gigi said, make it with some charcoal. And I said, okay, I will. Hey, folks, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Let's get it rolling. Yeah. Beautiful, man. Look at them. All right, so I got this side covered. I got the sides covered. We're going to put it on the grill, the Weber kettle, and we'll hit the other side. It smells fantastic. If you like coffee, I'm leaning toward this is going to be pretty good. That Weber kettle over there, she's smoking. Maybe I'll put the apple chips in too soon. I don't know. We're going to offset cook, sear at the end. I got high hopes for this one. Hi ho. It's off to work we go. All right. Well, my bell still don't work. Let's get over to the Weber kettle. All right, here we go. Okay, and of course we said we're going to offset cook. So we got the charcoal going over here. We got some apple wood going. We're going to lay these over. I'm going to put them like this. Gigi likes hers cooked more than me, so I'll put hers right here. I'll be right back. So we're going to get that on there. Oh yeah, good seasoning on there. Look at that. If you like these videos I make, you're welcome to subscribe. Join us. So that's what we got. So we're offset cooking. What I like about this grill top, the grill cover, this opens up and you can add more charcoal, or you can add some more wood chips or whatever, and it's on that on both sides. And then what we're doing is we're offset cooking. So my fire's over here. My meats are over there, and then when you put this on, well, let's do it right, Papa. You get that sucker on there, and what happens is all your heat and your smoke, where does it go? Out these 4 holes. What does it have to do? It has to cover your meat. Get it? Yeah. And we're gonna sear them at the end. I got some veggies to throw in here. I got some shrimp going over on the air fryer. You can see that over on my air fryer channel. So what I'm doing right now, I threw some more applewood in there, and it's heating up a little bit more. I left the top off just because I'm trying not to get mine to cook anymore. And there we go. Hear that sizzle? There we go. Look at that baby. Oh man. Ribeye. Papa Texas and ribeyes. Look at that beauty. Yeah. Bam! Just like that. There's my meal. Alright, so the shrimp. I put a little bit of shrimp sauce over here because I love garlic and butter, don't you? And then over here, this is Tango Spice Company Midnight Espresso. We're going to try some coffee rub. We're going to do a taste test here. This was cooked on Papa Texas main channel, and the shrimp was cooked in the air fryer on Papa's other channel, the air fryer cooks. I'll leave a link at the end if you like air fryers and want to check Papa Texas out over there. Alright, I've been nibbling on it while my camera went off because my battery went off. But we're going to try this Tango Spice Company Midnight Espresso Coffee Rub. Oh man, give me a couple seconds. Okay, so 2 months ago, we had some tri-tip. It was with the coffee rub. I freaking loved it. Gigi said, it's not too strong for me. So I'll tell you what, I bought this from my buddy Tango Joe, Tango Spice Company. I'll leave a link to his channel at the end of this video, and I'll leave a link to his website to buy this down in the description. And I'll tell you what, this is not as powerful as the one I had that I liked, because I like coffee. But this right here is a fantastic blend. And Gigi would probably like this. We'll go with the shrimp. The shrimp is over on the other video. Oh yeah. It's freaking awesome. Potato. And some of that bread. I'll tell you what. This steak right here. See that? Papa Texas approved. Yeah. Hey folks, this is Papa Texas. This is freaking awesome. Watch both videos and we will see you on the next one. Hit that bell. Helps me out. It's free to hit, you know. It's free to share. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya. Oh!